This is the question number 3. Find out V naught. What is this amplifier? This is an inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. For inverting amplifier, output voltage V naught is equal to minus RF upon R into VI. RF is the feedback resistance 5 upon 3 into VI. V naught equal to minus 40 by 3 volt. This is the direct using formula, or you can solve using apply node A, node B, virtual short circuit and KCL. Question number 4. Here input is applied here 2 volt and 5 volt at both inverting and non-inverting terminal. Hence you cannot say this is inverting terminal or this is non-inverting terminal. Okay. Then here apply due to virtual short circuit and apply KCL. No, due to virtual short circuit, first we know that there is no current flow inside op-amp terminal. Hence VA is equal to 2 volt and also due to virtual short circuit, VA is equal to VB is equal to 2 volt. And now apply KCL at node B. Now apply KCL at node B. Then apply how KCL? Here give the current I1 and here is I2. Then KCL will be I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. Sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. Then I1 equal to 5 minus VB upon 5 plus I2 equal to V0 minus VB upon 3 is equal to 0. Or 5 minus VB is equal to 2 volt upon 5 plus V0 minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Or 5 minus 2 3 by 5 plus V0 by 3 minus 2 by 3 you can write is equal to 0. Or V0 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Now taken LCM 15, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 by 15. Or V0 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 15. Or V0 equal to 3 by 15 or equal to 1 by 5 volt. This is the answer V0. In this question, find output voltage V0. How will you proceed? Same. First, give name node A, node B, and we know that there is no current flow inside op-amp terminal. Hence, voltage at V equal to 5 volt, and due to virtual short circuit, what will be the VA is equal to VB is equal to 5 volt. Now apply, after that what will we do? Now apply KCL at node A. Then give I1 here and I2. Sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. I1 plus I2 equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 minus VA upon 3 plus I2 equal to V0 minus VA upon 6 is equal to 0. Or 0 minus VA equal to 5 volt upon 3 plus V0 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to 0. Or V0 minus 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 by 3. We take right side of this equal to symbol. Then V0 minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 into 6 is equal to 10. After that V0 equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 volt. This is the answer. Similarly, in question number 6, find V0. How will we do? Give the name node A, node B, current I1 and current I2. We know that the current inside the op-amp terminal is negligible or 0. Hence, there is no any voltage drop across its K resistance. Hence, voltage at node B will be 3 volt. Now, due to virtual short circuit, VA is equal to VB is equal to 3 volt. Now apply KCL at node A. KCL at node A, that is I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. What will be I1? I1 is equal to 1 volt minus VA upon 3 plus I2 is equal to V0 minus VA upon 6 is equal to 0. और VA is equal to 3 volt 1 minus 3 upon 3 plus V0 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 0. और 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus V0 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 0. Take right side the equal to symbol is equal to 2 by 3 और V0 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 6 is equal to 4 और V0 minus 3 is equal to 4 और V0 equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 volt. This is the answer. Here also find output voltage V0. How will proceed? Same manner. Give the name node A, node B, and current I1 and current here is the I2. First apply. First apply what will be the due to virtual short circuit, due to virtual short circuit VA is equal to VB. Okay, and we know that there is no current flow inside op-amp terminal. Hence voltage VB equal to 3 volt. That is VA is equal to VB is equal to 3 volt. Now apply KCL. At node A. I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. I1 is equal to what will be? Minus 5 volt minus VA upon 2 plus I2 is equal to V0 minus VA upon 6 is equal to 0. और minus 5 VA is equal to 3 volt upon 2 plus V0 minus VA equal to 3 volt upon 6 is equal to 0. और minus 5 by 0 minus 8 by 2 plus V0 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 0. और V0 by 3 minus 6 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. और V0 minus 3 equal to 6 into 4 is equal to 24. और V0 equal to 3 plus 24 और V0 is equal to 27 volt. This is the answer.